A very warm welcome back to Eatopedia. So let's see what's in store for you all today. So for today our theme is COVID-19 and diabetes, and also the name of the video is Pancreas on a Strike because of diabetes. And also this has been taken care of because during these COVID times everybody is enhancing their flavors and their taste buds due to achar, pickle or papad. So to beat that, this recipe has been kept in mind. So let's have a look. So what's cooking? It's the Nuts Delight, yum, and the prep time is just 4 minutes. Come on yaar. And the health benefits is your antioxidants, antiviral, antibacterial properties. It helps manage your diabetes and improve your blood glucose levels. It is suitable for hypertension also too because they are low sodium, high fiber and immense micronutrients have been there, and also it reduces cardiovascular health problems. So these are the ingredients and the equipment required. Now instead of these ingredients we can also add pumpkin seeds to this, which is one of the option also can be given. You can also add maybe sunflower seeds to this. So these are the other options can be added along with these nuts or more than these. So let's begin. So first we take 15 grams walnuts, that is just 6 halves. Now why walnuts? Because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They are also rich in vitamin E, therefore they inhibit the development of clogging the arteries, and therefore they can also help to reduce your bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of any cardiovascular problems. Vitamin E is a very good antioxidant too. Next we take 15 grams unsalted almonds. Now why almonds? Because almonds have been proven to control your blood glucose levels. Again, this is rich in vitamin E, so the antioxidant that is going into it will also help with any kind of infection, and it also reduces the risk of heart diseases since it is reducing the plaque formation. Next we take 1 tablespoonful of fenugreek seeds. Okay, and now why fenugreek seeds? Because this is definitely proven to decrease or rise in your post-meal blood glucose levels, and also it is very high in fiber and it has great antiviral properties as it is used as a remedy for colds and sore throats. So simply we just take all of them, soak them for around 4 to 5 hours and we wait. So after soaking, this is how they exactly look. And also then we de-skin the almonds and keep them aside because we don't need the skin in this part. Then we take 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds. We roast so these white sesame seeds are taken because they have antioxidant properties and they're rich in calcium, magnesium and zinc. These are the great micronutrients, and also since they have antioxidant properties, they can scavenge the free radicals and ward off any kind of infection. And also then we roast these sesame seeds as I mentioned. All of these nuts we place together in the grinder. We also add grated ginger to it, maybe say around 1 to 2 inches ginger. Now why ginger? Because this assists in high blood glucose management once again, so that's a plus. And also it has antioxidant properties where this guy helps to reduce any kind of inflammation. So everything of all our relevance is also relevant to COVID. And also then you add your lime juice, 2 tablespoons. Lime juice, antioxidant properties, great. It's a low sodium adjunct, so instead of salt we're using lime juice. So that will take a substitute of it, so that do not worry about the taste, that is taken care of. Grind all of them together on a low pace. Keep adding warm water 1 spoon at a time and adjust to the desired consistency. So for this exactly you will need say around 5 to 6 spoons. Okay, then you grind this again on a medium pace until a very smooth paste, and there you go, that's ready to serve. You can store this in the refrigerator and it's ready to eat. Oops, yum, burp. So this is the nutrient profile. So just to take it up in a summarized manner, it manages your diabetes very well. It has antioxidant and antiviral properties. So somewhere or the other it is giving a plus point for the diabetic during these COVID times, and this can be best accompanied with any kind of oats dosa or any kind of idli and any kind of these whole nutrition foods. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more, and hope